What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are gonna finally get this Corolla started, but first we have some things to button up in it, and let's get started. But before we get started, just please make sure you hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and if you're not a subscriber, please make sure to consider subscribing. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, like I said, we have a few things to button up on the Corolla, and usually sometimes whenever I do engine rebuilds, I tend not to trust myself, and I don't know why, because I always fear the worst is gonna happen, and I always feel like maybe I should just leave things you know, certain things disconnected, like just put some oil in it, put the starter in, try to crank it, see if it turns on. But you know what? It's time that I start trusting myself, and it's time that I start believing in everything that I can do, because if you don't believe in yourself, then no one else is ever going to believe in you. So I'm going to believe in myself, and I'm going to believe that this engine's going to run great. What we're going to do is install our radiator, hook it all up, put all the fluids in, coolant, everything in, just set the whole motor up and send it. Turn that sucker on and get it started. I believe in myself, and I know it's gonna happen. So stay tuned and see what's gonna happen. Let's get started. What's up, guys? So we are finally almost finished with this motor. Here we are, everything is in, radiator, whatever it is in, manifolds in, airbox duct is in. I just have to put the airbox on and then put on the battery and fire this puppy up. I have to also put this hose on, and that's about it. Put some oil, put some coolant, and then fire it up and see how well it runs, guys. This is super exciting, but I'm gonna call it game over for tonight. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call it game over for tonight, and we are going to start on this again tomorrow and hopefully have it fired up. So I'll see y'all then. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button. I'll see y'all later. Peace.